To make a taller box, take a second box the same size. This will be your lid. When sliding the lid onto the bottom, push the short side in and the long side out, then tape to secure. When you need a wider box, close the box but do not tape. Cut the top 2 flaps down the middle, flip the box and repeat on the bottom. Open the box and crease the sides where you just cut, connecting the cuts on the top to the cuts on the bottom. Then form the box as shown and tape to secure and close. When you need a shorter box, use the contents as a reference point and split each corner, making the flaps longer. Then fold each flap down. You can score the sides to assist in folding if needed. Then close the box and tape. You can remove extra cardboard if you like, but I will leave it as extra padding.